Welcome to you all concerned and curator of CBSE class 12 math. In continuation to previous video, I am going to clear some more points regarding the equality of matrices. Hence, I will draw your attention about the solution of question number 6 first. Here, there are given two matrices having the element 4, 3, x, 5, y, z, 1, 5. Then you have to find out the value of x, y and z. This question based on the principle and criteria of equal matrices. We have to think about when the two matrices are equal. For the equality of two matrices, it is necessary that the order of the matrices be same. If the order of matrices be same, then the corresponding elements of the matrices are equal to the corresponding elements of the matrices. Or you may very clearly listen in Hindi also, जब दो आव्यूह मैट्रिसेस के ऑर्डर बराबर होते हैं तो उनके संगत उन मैट्रिसेस के संगत एलिमेंट भी बराबर होते हैं. दिस क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स टू मेन थीम ऑन द इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. आव्यूहों के बराबर होने की कंडीशन में ही हम संगत जो अननोन एलिमेंट हैं उसे हम ज्ञात कर सकते हैं. इसलिए आपका ध्यान इधर आकर्षित है. हम बताएंगे कि संगत एलिमेंट किस तरह से बराबर होते हैं. तो फॉर द इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस ऑफ द सेम ऑर्डर, दिस इज इक्वल टू ए आई जे इज इक्वल टू बी आई जे. इट मीन्स corresponding element of this matrix A I J is equal to B I J. Here in the present question, the matrices of the order 2 into 2 means 2 row and 2 column means of the order 4. So for the equality of matrices, here we may write very clearly for the equality of matrices, equality of matrices. For equality of matrices, the corresponding element of the first matrix will be equal to the corresponding element of the second matrix. Here A11 is 4. In fact, first matrix we see clearly A11, that is the element of first column and first row, is equal to 4, and in the second matrix A11 is y, that is the element of first row and first column is y. Then clearly y is equal to 4. A11 is equal to B11. It means this implies that 4 is equal to y. 4 is equal to y. In the same way, x is the 21 element of A21 is x and B21 is 1. Similarly, A21 is equal to B21, that is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. इस संदर्भ में हमें ये देखना है कि जो अननोन है उसी को इक्वेट करना है कि एक मैट्रिक्स का जो करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट है अगर अननोन है तो उसी को इक्वेट करेंगे. अब ये हम जो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का 2 2 यानी दूसरी पंक्ति और दूसरी कॉलम का अवयव ये है और दूसरी पंक्ति और दूसरी कॉलम का अवयव है. वी नीड नॉट इक्वेट टू दिस बिकॉज बोथ आर इक्वल क्लियरली. हेंस A21 is equal to B21 means A21 means x and B21 means 1. Clearly x is equal to 1. Third unknown quantity remains z. This is A12 is equal to B12. A12 means 3 is equal to z. Or this is very simple. We may find out the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 from here, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. This is very simple question based upon the equality of matrices. This is the requisite solution of. In question number 2, we have given two equal matrices. First matrix x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy, and the second matrix whose elements are 6, 2, 5, 8. Then the principle employed in previous part of the question, that is the matrices are equal of same order, then their corresponding elements will be also equal. The same principle lies in this question also. Since Aij is equal to Bij, this implies that Aij is equal to Bij. According to this terms and condition, if we equate these two matrices, then you will have get by comparison of corresponding element of the first matrix A11 and here B11. A11 is equal to B11. A11, that is the element of first matrix in first row and first column, is equal to x plus y, and in second matrix the corresponding element of first row and first column is equal to 6. We may consider this as the unknown equation number 1. Similarly, we may equate this A21 means the element of second row and first column is equal to the corresponding element of second matrix, another matrix, second row and first column 5. Here 5, this is the equation. A21 is 5 and A21 means 5 plus z. A21 means 5 plus z is equal to 5. Equation 2. Now we have unknown element in the first matrix xy. This is the A22. By equating A22 to B22, we get A22 means xy is equal to 8. This will be equation 3rd. यानी संबंधित सापेक्षिक अवयवों की परितुलना से हम ये तीन समीकरण प्राप्त कर लिए हैं. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन दैट इज x plus y is equal to 6. सेकेंड इक्वेशन 5 plus z is equal to 5. And third equation xy is equal to 8. We will project a glance to the three equation. From equation 2 we get clearly that z is equal to 0 because 5 plus z is equal to 5. Here we will write from equation 2 we get no need of further solution because 5 plus z is equal to 5. Here we may write this like this: 5 plus z is equal to 5. 5 cancel means z is equal to 0. Now remain x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8 from equation number 1 and 3rd. From equation 1 and 3rd we get x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8. X y is equal to 8. This is first and this is third. Then we may find out the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x, and by substitution of the same value in other unknown quantity from equation third, we will get the value separately. From first, x will be equal to, from first, x is equal to 6 minus y, 6 minus y, and if this value of x in terms of y we will substitute in third equation, we will get x means 6 minus y into y is equal to 8, or 6y minus y square is equal to 8, or y square minus 6y plus 8, y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Or further, if you solve further, then this will become y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, and by factorization of this, y minus 4 and minus 2 y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y means either 2 or either 2, here we may write further y minus 4, y minus 2 is equal to 0, so y is equal to either 2 or 4, then the corresponding value of x will be equal to 4 and 2. Hence, here we'll take the two value 2, 4 and 0, 2, 4, 0, any x, y and z. If you find out the value of x equal to 2, y will be 4, this is 0, and the second option is 4, 2, 0. This is the repeated answer of the question number 6 part 2. Thanks for watching you. Please like and subscribe the video. Many thanks to